The night was wrapped in silver as the stars began to glow. A hush fell over shepherds in the fields of long ago. A song rose up in heaven, soft as snow upon the earth, and every heart grew still to see the child of holy birth.
No crown upon his forehead, no robe to mark his reign, yet light poured from the manger like a fire against the rain. A trembling world looked upward as the skies began to part, and heaven breathed its promise into every waiting heart. The angels sang of mercy, of a love that would not fade. A king was born in quietness, and yet the world was saved. Heaven's cry of hope, oh hear the sound of glory as it rises through the night. A child who came to rescue us, our everlasting light. Let weary souls rejoice again, let broken hearts unite. For peace was born in Bethlehem, the night the world saw heaven's light. The cattle softly murmured as the heavens bowed in awe, and Mary held her tiny son, fulfilling ancient law. The prophet's words were living in the stillness of that hour, as God became a child to lift the world with gentle power. The wise men wandered deserts with a star to guide their way, their footsteps filled with worship as the night turned into day.
They knelt before the promise that creation testified, a baby breathing heaven, the night the angels cried. He came to free the captive, came to calm the storm inside. He came to mend the broken heart, to stand here by our side. The call to believe, oh hear the voice of mercy in the cold December air. A Savior born for every soul who's drowning in despair. Lift up your eyes to Bethlehem, let every fear subside, for love embrace the world again. The night the angels cried. He came to free the captive, came to calm the storm inside. He came to mend the broken heart, to stand here by our side. The call to believe, oh hear the voice of mercy in the cold December air. A Savior born for every soul who's drowning in despair. Lift up your eyes to Bethlehem, let every fear subside, for love embrace the world again. The night the angels cried.
A star for every heart, and still his star is shining through our darkest winter nights, a guiding flame of comfort in our loneliness and fights.
The same song sung in ancient fields still whispers through our pain. Rejoice, rejoice, Emmanuel has come to earth again. Bring him all your sorrows now, the fears you try to hide. For the child who warmed the stable's air still warms the heart inside. Let earth awake, oh lift your voice in wonder at the miracle human race. Let nations shout